Right, Old Man Reviews here. And we're working our way through Spider-Man for Nintendo 64.
What a rush!
Well, that sucked.
How far down are we?
Alright. So in the harder levels, this bridge is actually not here.
A couple of 100 feet.
So you actually have to swing across, and then you do get more speed with the swinging.
Put someone's eye out with that.
Yeah. Who? Who builds? Oh, that was bad. Who builds places like this?
Oh, I'm getting a feeling somebody doesn't want me here.
Alright, and
The heating bill for this place must be enormous. I thought Brian didn't pay.
alright, next level.
This must be where the fog is coming from. Who is behind all this?
Ooh, I know, calling me. I like better shots in the police department, at least.
Rats locked. Well, let's try door number 2.
Come on, turn. There we go.
We have a winner.
Spider-Man! I'm so happy to see you.
Black Cat, what are you doing? Who's behind? What's going on here?
Your guess is as good as mine. The guys in the ambulance must have drugged me because the next thing I knew, I woke up here. You gotta get me out of here.
Okay, Cat, but how?
If you can somehow shut down the power, I can escape.
You got it, Cat.
So you wake up in here, and yet you know that if I shut off the power, you can escape. Oh,
Nope. Guess again.
I think I have to go back to the control room I started in. Yes, look at the big brain on Spidey. This can't be the most exciting of the ones I've done, with the major screw-up. Alright, here's B.
Bingo.
I like that, you can see the symbiote,
Step in the right direction, but not enough pressure.
oh, they're not showing it there, but you can see the symbiote, prediction map. Not exactly right, but I'll take it. Off to the left there.
Almost. This sucker is ready to blow.
Yes. You know, these criminals need to stop doing these things. You set up this whole thing with all this going on, and then leave it unguarded, for the most part.
Yes, that
Well,
does
look
it.
at that. She
Thanks,
was right.
Spider. Whatever you did, it worked.
Hey, what else is a Spider-Man for? You go and get some help, Cat. I'll find out who's behind all this.
You got it. I'll be back.
Alright, so thanks for watching, and please subscribe.